Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm going to take you along with me as I pack up all of these goodies into a loaded envelope, and let's go. Okay, so first thing we have here is the same technique that I used on my last loaded envelope. I just took a 12 by 12 piece of paper, folded it in thirds, and created the envelope. You bring the bottom up and glue the sides down, and it gives you this large pocket, this pocket, and then an additional pocket here from bringing the paper up. So I used pieces from the October Afternoon collection that I just got off of Peachy Cheap a couple weeks ago. I love the vintagey look of it. This is a gingerbread theme swap, but I didn't want it to be like in your face gingerbread, so I did some of the goodies gingerbread related and some not gingerbread related. So let me just show you what I'll have and then we'll put it together. So this was the loaded envelope base. It needed to have a shaker element or a sequin mix, so I made these little gingerbread shakers. I have a video on that linked below if you'd like to see it. We needed to create a wand, so this was my wand. I'll show that a little close up, I guess. So this was a snowflake rosette die, and I used these large confetti pieces. I think they're from Walmart. They say ho ho ho. I brought in the poinsettia again. I have another shaker up here. In the back is a crepe paper rosette that you can't really see. I just used that for some height to make it thick. And then I also have this gold snowflake layered in there as well. I just tied some ribbon around the bottom. This I found at Walmart, just an ornament in the shape of a gingerbread, so I'm gonna tuck that in there if I have room. I also have this little gingerbread pin that I thought I could use. I have these little gingerbread felt pieces that I could use if I have room. I've got these homemade paper clips, so we also had to include 2 altered paper clips or clothespins. So I just did the paper clips where I tied the tulle on the top. I added a little gingerbread button to one of them. This was a store-bought gift. It's just some puffy stickers with gingerbread themed. I created a bag topper, just reused the packaging that it came in and slid in a piece of paper from the Tim Holtz collection that I'm using, a piece of ephemera from the Peachy Cheap collection, and then just this wooden snowflake. I have hot glued on there. I have these homemade tags. I just did a video on these as well. If you'd like to see that, I can link it down below. I've got the sequin mix that I actually received in a swap, and I'm gonna re-gift that. I have this little gingerbread paper clip that I could put in. And then I just made this little embellishment pocket. It's got the reindeer card on the front from the Peachy Cheap collection, a little snowflake and rosette embellishment down here. And then I wanted the reindeer antlers to stick up here to go with the reindeer theme. But you'll see I kind of used them as bag toppers in here as well. So this was, get it open, I just tied it with, just did 2 grommets and then slid a piece of ribbon between them. So here I did, here's the little reindeer bag toppers, but I did tulle, crepe paper, thickers, and 2 ribbon that I stitched across. So I did 4 of those. We needed to include 4 homemade elements. So this one says Jolly, this one says Snowflake, then here I have Joy and Santa. So I just slipped those in the bag. I closed them up, created a little bag topper. I made them so they were kind of layered, so you could see that there was 2. So a real simple way to package those up. And then I just put the ribbon through the 2 grommets and tied it together. So I thought this would fit in the back of the envelope really well since it's tall. I'll get this tied back up and then we will stuff the envelope. Okay, so let me get all of these off to the side. And we're going to start with a blank envelope. So this has to go in the back. It's the tallest, so I'm going to start with that. And that fits perfectly inside there. Nice and snug. I think I'll also put these in. Next, we have the paper clips. Okay. I'm going to put my little gingerbread shaker down here, kind of sticking out. This is really tight, so I don't think I'll be able to fit much in the front pockets. I think I'm gonna have to do a lot in the back. So here I think the rosette will go in the front, like that. Then I think I can stick things back here behind this piece. So I think this is just gonna have to go on the top. So I think I will just leave that out because that's really thick. The 2 tags, I think I'll go 1 on each side here. Like that. Gingerbread clothespin, maybe I'll just put him up there. And I've got these little guys. Let's see if I can sneak them in somewhere. I think I can put them in this very front pocket, just kind of peeking out. Let's see. This, I'm gonna stick there. That'll go right on the side. And then lastly, I have this little gingerbread. And I think I'll just put him right between the tags. All right, so this is what it looks like finished up. I think I'll be able to fit it in a regular shipping envelope. I'll make sure that I put tissue paper around it really nice so things don't get squished. And then I'll add just the ornament on top. So that's the finished project, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.